Welcome back to Awesome RC. Here we've got the Mini Slash, and today we're going to be unboxing it. So let's get on with it. Also doing a review on it too. I think you open it on this side if you want the front end to come out first. Now we got the tape off, so we just got to pop this open. And there's the controller. We'll need 4 batteries for that. And it's in there sideways, because that's why they put them in there. You're going to have to hold that back. Ready, I'm gonna pull this back. This will be a scene in a short, most likely, pulling this out. Oh, yeah. Anything else in there? Just some cardboard. But look at that. This is cool. I should really enjoy this moment because I have not gotten a new car since Christmas. Yep. Oh, New Year's. So it looks like just some tools and stuff, some shock spacers, the usual. Now we're gonna take the plastic off. I'm pretty sure the clips, here I'll show you guys. Yep, them clips are right there. I'm used to them being in the wheel well right here, but now they're right here. So you just unclip it, Oh, it's down here. I already reached in the wheel well. I gotta get used to that, guys. I gotta get used to that. I can't get it. Okay, now this just pops off. Look at that. You got that paper in there like always? These tires, this is one thing that a lot of people have been talking about. That there's like no squish to that. I mean, there's squish to it, but I mean, there's no like, it's different. That servo, these things always look great brand new, but as soon as I get running it, it's gonna look like barf. It's just gonna be dirty. So we got that in there. That's pretty cool. I gotta show you guys a little bit better. I gotta get better with my camera skills. There it is. Okay, good. See, this is something that either I was just blind when people were showing it, or wasn't paying attention, or they never showed it. But the battery is in the way back. Like after you pull the car out, the battery's way in this back piece. I was like, "Where's my battery?" I don't want to forget about that. So now I got this open, and I just cut it off camera, of course, because it's easier. But so here you got the charger that I'm not planning on using. 2 cells, 3500. The instructions or whatever. Warranty. Can't pick stuff up. And then got this. Ooh, I have these for other cars. It's basically like all kinds of information, like the exploded view, which is very, very, very nice. These shock spacers, we'll have to see what kind of. We might have to put something, but I'm already noticing as soon as I touch this and drop it, those shocks, like there's not much. I don't know. There's something different about them, and also the way it rolls. It just sounds so different. It sounds beefy, honestly. It sounds beefy. Tools and these are numbered. That's interesting. Does it not come with taillights? You got to put those on yourself. Ah, that's kind of cool. I have not seen that before. Okay, now let's take this plastic off, and they wrapped it around here a little bit. Oh, that green. That looks cool. I should have gotten the yellow, but I don't have a green car yet. I want to try it. I also don't have a yellow car yet, because that's like the first time they've ever used yellow. One of the first times. I don't know if they have used it before. I don't know. But so that looks sweet. Put that on like that. Move this plastic. So we'll show you with that on in a little bit. As you guys have probably seen a lot, BL2S, you see that TQ controller. The servo, I think, yeah, the same servo as in the Stampede. I'm not sure if it has metal gears or not. I need to look into this car more before I start telling people about it. One thing that I saw another person say that you should do is you should put this screw in this hole on the front. I don't know about the rear. I think he just said the front. It helps with the stability of the car. I might have to try that. I'll try it stock first. I won't mess with anything. But that really does look cool, doesn't it? This is so cool. Let's like get down at ground level. Oh, that's really cool. Also the battery. Here, we got it. We got to get like. Oh, that looks sweet. That really is cool. I kind of like how that guy's in there. And then also, as you guys have seen, there's a little airflow thing through here before. You've probably seen that before. This is kind of cool. It's a cool car. I've never had one like this. It's also a new release. I don't have any minis. That's the thing. Like, I mean, I have a TRX4 MT, but I don't have a mini. You know, the mini. One thing that I do find interesting about this car is how this sticks out. Like, there's almost like a little tray here. That's basically what it is. That's kind of interesting. Also, this front end is weird. They gotta, like, push it down good. But it does sit behind that, which is nice. Yep. These fans on the back are looking pretty cool. Pretty cool fans. Here we go. We're opening up the battery. Like, I haven't even opened this thing yet. I just got the seal off. Ooh, there we go. What? I didn't know this battery was that small. This thing's puny. It's like an itty bitty little battery. It is so small. I'll have to compare it to a different battery for you guys in a little bit. But so you just plug her in. Make sure it's in good. This time they put this on a rubber band underneath the battery, using a rubber band to keep it on, and that's honestly kind of nice. Then you don't have to deal with that peeling off if the battery gets somewhat wet. Like, I mean, there is a sticker there, but this booklet thing is not stuck on there, which is kind of nice. There's a size comparison. There it is compared to the Max Slash. One of the Max Slash's batteries, just one of them. You run two of these in the Max Slash. Okay, so now I'm outside with the thing, and I already did something interesting. I mean, it goes pretty good through this grass, but still, it's just not the best at it. But it's a little car. What are you gonna expect? What do you expect? Ooh! Uh, here you go. And it zooms good. Here, let's do a speed run on the road. Nobody's coming. I don't know exactly how fast it's going. It's kind of hard to hold. I'm trying to steer it with my chin. But I mean, it is fast for its size. But like, look at that thing go. It just is crazy doing it. I'll have more videos out on this eventually. It's kind of fun. When I first started driving it, I couldn't control it that good, and ow, poor thing. I'd always spin out, and like I thought it was the car, but it was mostly just me. I needed more practice with it. On gravel though, it's a little bit of a bumpy ride, but that's gonna happen in such a little car. It just bounces around a lot compared to other cars. We just shot some rocks out. It has pretty good control. And now we'll go to the review. So here we are after I drove the car, and now I'm just gonna kind of talk about what I think of it. Now I flipped it a few times, and one time that happened. So pretty cheap body, you know, that's kind of expected with Traxxas. Like, that thing's body has been through a lot, and it's getting pretty cracked. But I haven't driven it that much. Honestly, I don't want to say too much about it until I drive it and maybe like put some shock spacers or something on there, just to help it a little bit. And also what I said with the screws right there, move it out a little bit, do what that person suggested. But I think it's a really fun car, as you saw me zooming it around. But honestly, I just like to drive it more because it's dark outside now. But I don't know, it's sweet. It's small. It flies. It's fun, honestly. I'd say it's a pretty nice car so far, except when the body was on there. Like, sometimes it would pop over this, it would pop over that, and then it started rubbing on the tires a little bit, which that happens with that thing too. That happens all the time, but it's kind of what you just gotta expect. And also, it runs totally different on these. Like, if you drive it on a wooden floor in the house, it sounds so different with those wheels, because like there's no foam. Now, if you want to see a size comparison in between the two, there you go. There's two different sizes. They're like max slash, mini slash. Now I just need a slash in between. And I don't have enough money for that. Rip. But that's honestly what I think about it. I'll also be doing a size comparison video more in detail with these two coming out pretty soon. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all later. Bye bye. See ya.